excited to try these out. Let's go ahead and unbox them. These just slide out like this. And then this should just like a present come out. There we go. Oh my, ooh, very sleek packaging. Okay, here they are. You just pop them out like this. And then this pull tab, which is nice. It allows you to pull this out, and then in here we've got just some information. And then here's another box. Inside of this, a nice case and a user guide, and this is the charging cable inside of that. And yep, that's what we've got inside of the box. So very nice. Excited to try these out.